Hello guys, trend kicks every day. So today we are going to cover and fix a round horse kick. Tips on how to do a round horse kick. So be there, come on. So let's fix it. 1, 2. Width like this. 1, down, 2, 3, 4, 10, like that. Just come on. 1, 2. So this is the tip. You fix like this. Make sure your feet, you twist your feet like this. Twist, stretch, kick like that. So twist, kick, kick, like this. So this is the perfect motion for round horse kick. You start 1, 2, down. Of course I'm checking. Just did it like this. Twist. 1. Nice like that. So let's go together. This twist. 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. 10. Kick. 10. Kick. Down. So this is the perfect motion for fixing side round horse kick, not side kicks only. So try fix like this. Twist. Kick. Kick. Yeah, so that's all for today.